Hello everyone, I am Shivani Soner and I am student of IIPS DIVV MCA 6th SEM. Today we are going to discuss about some topics of Unix operating system. First, searching for a pattern. Second, repeating the last pattern search. And third, test your understanding. So let's start our topic. First, searching for a pattern. For all this you must learn to use an editor, and Unix provide a very useful versatile one, VI editor, and VI is extremely strong in search and replacement activities. Searching can be made in both direction, forward direction and reverse direction, and can be repeated. It is initiated from the command mode by pressing a slash which shows up in the last line. For example, if you are looking for the string printf, enter this string after the slash and the command is slash printf square bracket open enter square bracket close. In the place of enter, we take an string. A string include letter, number of special characters, tab, etc. A string can be grammatical word or it can be part of word, and slash indicates the search's forward direction. VI searches the entire file. So if the pattern can't be located until the end of file is reached, the search wraps around to resume from the beginning of the file. If the search still fails, VI responds with the message pattern not found. And now, to search backward in a file, you can use question mark instead of slash. Question mark pattern square bracket open enter square bracket close, and it searches backward for the most previous instance of the pattern. And the wrapped around features also applies here but in reverse manner. Now we are going to discuss second topic, repeating the last pattern search. The small n and capital N commands repeat a search where small n and capital N don't exactly play the roles you do accept them to. For repeating search in the direction the previous search was made with slash or question mark, we use small n. It indicates repeats search in same direction of original search, and small n doesn't necessarily repeat a search in the forward direction. The direction depends on the search command used. You can press small n repeatedly to scan all instances of the string, and capital N reverse the direction pursued by small n, which means it to retrace your search path. Next is commands are summarized. Search and repeat command. First is slash pat. It searches forward direction for pattern pat. Second is question mark pat. To search backward for pattern pat. Small n. It function is it repeats search in same direction along which previous search was made. And the next is capital N. It repeats search in direction opposite to the along which previous search was made. Third is test your understanding. Question 1. Use extended regular expression to extract all the section headers from this book, and each section is numbered. Answer is, in this command indicates grep minus e, it is extended grep, and it treats meta character as is and doesn't substitute them as string. And the caret symbol indicates it matches all the line with start with single digit 0 to 9. And the pipe symbol, it is choice operator. It matches either the expression before or the expression after the operator. It searches two characters from the file chep. Question 2. Devise a sequence to display the listing ordered by last access time of the .c files in the current directory that contain the string wet. And the answer is ls-lut grep-l wet*c. ls is used for listing, lut is an option, grep is used for searching a pattern. In this, the file is searched from .c and the display only the names of files containing the pattern in the form of list. Question 3 is write a corn or base alias which display from the current directory the listing of only directories. And the answer is alias lsdir equal to ls hyphen l pipe symbol grep caret d. Alias is an substitute variable name. lsdir is the current directory. Alias is an variable name. lsdir listing of directory. ls is listing and hyphen l is used for display only the names of file containing the pattern, and the grep is used for searching for a pattern, and caret d it represents the line start with d. Question 4. How will you display from all files in the current directory lines containing the string printf or fprintf without fixing the file name to each line? Answer: cat string pipe symbol grep hyphen e f question mark printf. Cat to display all the files, f question mark printf indicates the line searches start with f and single character, and the output goes to the cat to display all the files. Question 5. How will you select from a file? First, lines 3 to 10. Second, all but last line. Answer: first, sed-n 3, 10p foo. SED, it is an stream editor. It is a multi-purpose tool which combines the work for several filter. -n, it display line numbers along with lines. We using the p print command to display the line. Foo, it is a file. In this, foo is a file to select line 3 to 10. Second, how will you select from a file all but the last line? Answer: sed-n dollar negation operator p foo, and this is foo is a file. P, it is used for print the command display the lines, and dollar it is used to select last line, and SED also has a negation operator which can be used with any action. From the foo file, we select last line and all the files.